Hey guys, I'm Sebastian. I'm going to cover some pain associated, lower back pain associated with sex today. We're going to cover the missionary position, mainly targeted at, I guess this is a male-female scenario. In this case, we're going to talk about the man in the scenario. Obviously, the biomechanics and what I'm talking about can carry over to anybody. Biomechanics don't necessarily change, and so just easy to identify when we're talking about the subject today. By the way, this is a massive article I did on our website on this. As well as different positions, there's drawings, modifications, and so on. So please go to that. If you ever do need some help, we are here to help. So you can always contact us. We'd love to help you out, okay? The male in this scenario is going to be on top. We can just move this out of the way just for demo's sake here. So sometimes people easily can find a position that's more favorable to them if they just simulate it on their own, all right? So right now I'm doing basically an elbow on top type of missionary position here, hand support missionary position, or there is also the elbow support one too. Funny, if you've ever been through rehab at and through our clinic, these are actually two exercises we kind of use already. And so we use something called a hard style plank, which is basically this. And we also use something called a buttress plank, which we can remove a hand from and so on. So there's two exercises right here that we already use for rehab of low backs a lot of times, not all the time, that is actually a modification of the missionary position. So here's what you might consider doing if you're in the troubleshooting phase and you're like, I really want to figure out how I can actually have a relationship without having any qualms about having sex. And so number one is you just find a position that feels better, right? Which one is it, A or B? All right. Actually, if you probably report this to your healthcare provider, that'll give them a lot of information. Is this better than this? You know. So just finding a different elbow or hand support might be very simple. Obviously, go talk to your doctor if you're dealing with other types of pain associated with sex or even low back pain. If you want to work with us, you certainly can. We're in Costa Mesa, California. We have people fly in actually for this kind of stuff too. We're very good at helping people and giving them stuff they can go home with. Many people can have a complete resolution of a lot of their low back pain, or at least reintegration back into normal life without really having to do anything dramatic. It just comes down to being able to modify things, simple as that. There's other things throughout life that typically people need to modify. And second is to do a little bit of rehabilitation around the spine and the hips, and then build some strength and support. All right, so we'd love to help you out, but we have other videos coming out on this as well. And so if you're interested in different types of variations that might be favorable, subscribe to the YouTube channel. All right, we have videos coming out a couple times a week, and they're similar format just as this. So we'll see you guys next time. Take care.